If you have an agile project and want to know the best way to quickly start and manage it, then this video is for you. Welcome to my consulting channel. I'm Michael Tadros, the professor. I have a diversified experience for many years working as a project management consultant for Agile, Scrum, Lean and conventional projects, as well as a consultant for startup businesses and entrepreneurs. Now, if you're ready, let's get to it. The first step in figuring out how to run an agile project is to select your project framework. Scrum, Kanban, and Lean are popular agile frameworks for optimizing and running a project. Here, I will discuss with you 6 steps to running an agile project using the Scrum methodology. Number 1. Assign your team. Your project team will include a Scrum Master, a Product Owner, and any other team members you need to develop, produce, and test the end product. Number 2. Document requirements. After you form your team, the product owner needs to roadmap your product. Your product roadmap is a high-level visual of the project's requirements and should include a rough time frame for when you will develop each one. From the roadmap, you will create a product backlog that sets the priorities for both the project and the product. Number 3. Create your sprints. Based on the requirements and estimated timeline, you can break down your project into sprints and create your release plan. The release plan contains the requirements for the version of your product that comes at the end of each sprint. For example, sprint 1 may end up with a prototype. Number 4. Plan and execute your sprint. Once you have broken your project down into sprints, you can create a detailed schedule for your first one. The Scrum Master should host a daily meeting to bring the team together as they execute the sprint. Here, they can discuss progress and tackle any issues. Number 5. Host a retrospective. At the end of the first sprint, you will have a review meeting called a sprint retrospective to discuss the outcomes and any changes you need to incorporate into the next one. Number 6. Repeat steps 4 and 5. The detailed planning for the next sprint is now finalized, and the cycle repeats itself until you complete the last sprint and deliver the final product to the customer. Now, I believe you have a good idea about the best way to quickly start and manage agile projects. I would also encourage you to watch other videos here on my channel about Scrum, Kanban, and other project management tactics and techniques. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press subscribe, like, and share with people you know. It's so great to actually get everyone on the same page. Also, please leave your feedback, questions, or suggestions for future videos. I will be more than happy to reply and assist you. I would love to talk to you at my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.